This is Terrace version 3, and it has very awesome things that did exist in real life in its lift all so this is the 2015 version, and now we go to the first lifts, which are awesome. OT Series 4, but these lifts are they were used to be very awesome, with awesome green buttons. Let's ride them. And now to the next lift, which the lifts are served from the third floor to all basements in the building. Hey, what did I do? It is a very awesome building that I used to know. This is a very awesome building. And now to the footbridge lift. Let's ride it. And now to the service lift. This lift used to be an old Otis lift, but is not being modernized. The lift before the landscape was not built. It was a very nice Otis Series 4, but is now being replaced with an old Otis lift. awesome bell. Very awesome chime. And now, around here, there was used to be a footbridge to the Capitol Tower, but currently is now gone. So then, let's find another way. Where is the Capitol Tower footbridge? It is gone! No! So then, less than naval gravity uses the most trick to fake it. To fake that footbridge. Heh. Let's fake a footbridge in the Capitol Tower using no gravity. And I'm still using gravity? No. And now. And now in Capitol Tower, there used to be 4 nice Otis lifts, but these lifts doesn't stop at 2, 4, 5, 6, and 6. The lifts go from basement 1 all the way up to 15th floor. Let's buy these awesome Otis glass lifts. I hope that one of these glass lifts come.
Going up. Going down. Going up. First floor.
Sorry about the sound of the fountain. Look at this awesome fountain. It is very more bigger than the tower, than the Terrace version tower in the television tower fountain. It is very more bigger. And now to the service lift. The camera is not stop moving. Okay, is everything back to normal? And now to the service lift.
Going up.
This is the roof of the Capitol Tower. It used to be a very nice roof. The doors of the stairs lit with black. But it's simply in its sound.
Going up. Going up.
Let's get into the next lift. And now to the next lift. They are behind the door. There are the lifts that goes up to the 6th floor. Let's get inside before I get arrested.
Sixth floor. Going down.